Hi everyone, my name is Shri Tanvish. Welcome back to my channel, Thoughtful Tanvish. Why do we cough? Or what causes cough? Or why do grown-ups say not to cough on a hand like this? You must have seen that these all questions relate to one subject or topic, which is cough. Well, today we're going to be answering these questions. Number one, why do we cough? Cough is a basic sickness that mostly comes from cold places. Like if you swam too long, you must have seen yourself cough. Or cough can also come when some small thing goes into your throat and itches it. Number two, what causes cough? Viruses and bacteria are the most common cause of cough, such as cold or flu. Other common causes are asthma and side effects of some medicines and smoking. Cough can also spread from person to person, so be careful when someone is coughing. Now another question. Why do grown-ups say not to cough on your hands? As we know, grown-ups say things for our own good, right? So this question is useful for not spreading cough. We should not cough on our hands because we can spread cough. Example, I coughed and I touched someone's hand and then they itch their mouth. That's how cough can spread. That's why you should listen to your elders. I mean, not to cough on your hands. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video and ring that notification bell. Bye!